Hi everyone, today I'm going to have a look at the Zhiyun Crane M2 gimbal stabilizer. I'm not a filmmaker and neither a video maker. There are amazing channels on YouTube and great helpful websites that are doing amazing reviews and articles on similar devices. But I just wanted to give my opinion on this interesting piece of tech. In the past, I have been using the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 together with my iPhone, and it was really great. So I was looking for something similar to use on my videos and to try to deliver a little more quality on my shootings here on the channel. Since I'm using also a Sony Alpha 6400, I was looking for a gimbal to use with different devices. Then I found on Black Friday an amazing offer on this Zhiyun Crane M2, and why not, let's try it. But before that, if you are new here and if you like this video, I would really appreciate that you hit the like button. Consider also subscribing and activate the notification bell. Let's do a quick unboxing and check what's inside the box. Okay, I will open the box and check what's inside. Okay, let's open this little small box. You can scan the QR code to watch tutorials here in case you need it. Let's check what's inside. Service card, okay. Quick start guide, might come helpful after. Okay, we have this little black foam box. Let's open it up. Let's start first with accessories. We have this small cord here, useful. This small tripod. USB cable, Type C to Type A. This is the quick release plate for the mirrorless cameras. Here we have also the phone grip. This feels really high quality here. It's done by metal, everything. This is the adapter. And here we have the crane itself. This box can be useful if you will need to transport it while traveling. Feels rigid. Okay, let's go quickly through the ports. This is the charging port. This is for zooming in and out. This might not work for all the cameras and all the lenses. This is the trigger button. This is for locking and unlocking the axis. This one is the joystick. Here we have a small screen. I will turn it on and we will check. This is for photo and record. This is for the mode. Here we have the menu, and here we have the power button also. I will install the tripod here just for having a little more grip. Okay guys, I mounted my Sony camera here. Let's go and have a quick overview on the buttons here. This is the joystick. It depends on the mode you have active here. It will move left, right, up and down. In this case, for example, it's going to move only up and down. If I change the mode, it's going to move also left and right also. Here we have the zoom. It will work with certain Sony cameras. If you connect an iPhone or other cameras, it's not going to work properly. You can check a list of the devices who are compatible with this zoom here. This is the USB-C port, and this is a hole if you want to connect other devices here, like a small light or something else. This is for record. If you press it once, it's going to record. If you press it once again, it's going to stop record. And if you press it twice quickly, it's going to make a picture. This is for the changing the mode. If you press it once, it will change. And if you press it quickly twice, and the vortex is going to do this. Here we have the icon connected to the camera. This is the battery status. In case you connect through the phone, you will see the Bluetooth icon here. Let's check on this side. This is the menu button. This is the power trigger for making pictures or start recording, and this is for locking the axis. Okay, if you press the menu button, we can change the motor speed. I'll suggest to leave it in medium because it's okay. Then we have the Wi-Fi here, history, joystick, if you want to revert the movement of the joystick, and information about the devices. Okay, this means pan following. It means that the camera will move left and right following the movement. You can still use the joystick for moving the camera up and down, like so. If you press once here, it will change in this single L here, which means locking mode. This mode locks the movement of all the three axes, in kind of manual mode, so you can move up and down, left and right. And if you press again here, it's going to the pop mode. All the three axes are following the movement of the stabilizer. If you press twice quickly to the go, which is the camera will follow the movement of the stabilizer in the fast speed, so it's for fast speeds. And if you press it twice again, it's going to vortex movement. It will go in the vortex mode, so you can use it only left and right, just for making a vortex movement. You can't go up and down, just left and right. Now if you hold the trigger button here, it will go in full following mode. Okay, here we have a micro USB port. I don't know if you can see it. If you connect the USB cable here to the camera, it's going to charge the camera. Don't charge the stabilizer from here. One strange thing that I've noticed, and if the stabilizer is on, you want to change the speed of the motor, let's say from medium to low, it will go and sleep. So you have to turn it off. And turn it on back again. This is strange behavior. I don't know if I have to update the firmware. I will check on the website if there is a new release of the firmware. Okay, let's have a quick look also on the app. You can basically control remotely the camera and the axis also. Okay, I'm noticing that if you use the zoom, it's going to have a little bit of delay. Okay, here we have the percentage of the phone and the percentage of the stabilizer. Pretty simple, nothing special here. Okay guys, this was my short review on the Zhiyun Crane M2. It is a small gimbal, let's say an upgraded version of the standard smartphone gimbals, which in my case and for my use is perfect. I like the overall quality, the compatibility with almost the smartphones and mirrorless or small cameras, but pay attention to the lenses you are using on the mirrorless cameras, because the weight might exceed the capacity of the gimbal, that is more or less 1750 grams, let's say 1 kilo maybe. The app is well done for something just opening and shooting. Let me know in the comments down below if you are using a gimbal for your shootings or videos. In case you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.